Product components of Samsung Ejon SHS-5230. User manual, front body, main body, mortise, strikes, emergency mechanical key, shaft, and additional accessories. Tools for installing: electrical drill, screwdriver, marker, measuring tape, hole saw 32mm, and drill bit 4mm. Measuring the door thickness. Door should be 40 to 55mm in thickness. Changing from right latch to left latch setting. On the latch setting pin, using a screw, push down the pin latch. When the latch is released, remove the latch and put in reverse direction. Fix the position and it's complete. Installation on the right hand door setting. Insert the mortise on the door. On the inside part of the door, fix by placing the screw in its designated position. From the inside part of the door, based on standard doorknob dimension, match the hole with the trace form. Put the mark on the upper part hole with a marker. Based on standard doorknob dimension, match the hole with a trace form. In this position, mark the upper part hole with a marker. Using a 4mm drill bit, make a hole on the upper marked location. When the hole is done, change tip with a 32mm hole saw and make the large hole in the middle. Using the shaft, first remove the shaft ring and the large part of the shaft. Insert on the middle of the hole of the mortise and fix the position. On the inside part of the door, replace the ring back in the middle. Installing the front body on the outside part of the door on a right-hand door setting. Right-hand door setting, left-hand door setting. This is for the right-hand door setting. Match the position with its designated location on the hole on the mortise. The connector should be inserted on the upper hole of the door. Partially position the panel by inserting the small screw on the below part. Use a screwdriver to tighten it. Place the rectangular plate in the middle, holding the connector in a fixed position downward. Then, fix it by using the long screw. Position in the middle as well as in the front body outside. Installing the front body plate on the inside part of the door. First, insert the front body connector on the upper hole of the plate and the mortise connector on the lower hole of the plate. Insert carefully in this position. Using the mechanical key shaft, insert on the middle hole and test the deadbolt movement. Installing the main body, first on the right hand setting. In this fixed position, you can install in the main body. Now, changing from the right to the left hand setting. First, partially push down the handle, and then on the inside part, hold the two setting pin, and then turn the handle to the left setting in the fixed position. When installing on the left hand door setting, install the front body with the manual lock switch in the middle, and the deadbolt should be in open status. And when on the right hand door setting, the manual lock switch should be on the downward position and the deadbolt closed status. Place on the middle, and then the middle part should be inserted on the middle part of the hole. Placing the connector. The front body connector should be inserted on the black terminal, and then the mortise connector should be inserted on the white terminal. Fix the position. The white screw on the upper hole. And then the black screw at the bottom hole. Slightly tighten the position. How to use the emergency mechanical key. Insert on the emergency mechanical keyhole and test the deadbolt movement. If it locks, or unlock. The function is okay. Placing the batteries. Place the batteries in this position. Main body parts button, registration button, volume control switch, automatic and manual control switch. The default pin registered in the system is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the operation for changing the pin number. First, press the registration button. Enter the pin to be registered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press the asterisk button. On the inside, turn the manual lock switch to close position. Place palm on the number pad. Press the 2 random number and then enter the registered pin and the asterisk button. And then the registration is complete. Fingerprint registration. Press the registration button. Place the finger to be registered on the sensor. Place the finger again. Test the registration. First, turn down the manual lock button. Press the sensor button. Place the finger on the sensor and the door will open. Opening the door from the inside while the anti-panic mechanism is enabled. While the lock, pull down the handle and the door will unlock. To enable the safe handle mechanism, push the safe handle button and when it is released, test. While the door is locked, the door cannot be opened by just turning the handle. Push the safe handle button and turn the handle downward and the door will open.